Welcome back. In this video, we will dive into some essential concepts in Blender, the 3D cursor, and the understanding of difference between global and local space. Let's start with 3D cursor. You will spot a dotted circle at the center of our scene and the default view. That is the 3D cursor. You can relocate the 3D cursor by going to the cursor tool and then left-clicking on your design spot. So why is it handy? Well, when you create a new object, it will magically appear at the location of our 3D cursor. So when I press Shift and A to add a new object and then add it to, it will appear at the location of our 3D cursor. So think of it like a virtual repositioning tool. So you can play the 3D cursor by using shortcut. The shortcut is Shift and then right click. Cursor is more useful than just positioning object. You can snap the 3D cursor to different location. For example, if you want to set 3D cursor back to its original location, you can go to the object and then snap, and then you can select cursor to world origin. So it will go back to the original location. Okay, shortcut for that is by pressing Shift and S for snapping, and then choose the cursor to world origin. You can also select the send the 3D cursor to the object location. For example, by selecting this view and then press Shift and S for snapping setting, and then cursor to selection selected, and then the 3D cursor will go to the position of the view. Then you can create another object here. For example, UV sphere. Okay, you can send it back to world origin, or you can snap the 3D cursor to another object by pressing Shift and then cursor to select. There are more uses when it comes to 3D cursor. We will discuss about it when we learn other advanced concepts. So let's dive into the difference between local and global space. The concepts are essential for transformation in Blender. To illustrate, we will add a monkey head, but first we will delete everything in the scene by selecting everything by controlling A and then H to delete. And then we will send the 3D cursor back to its original location by pressing Shift and S for snapping, and then select the world origin. And then we will add a monkey head in the mesh. And then we will duplicate it by pressing Shift and D. And then we will transform it. But the thing to remember is, by default, the Blender operates on the global space transformation. Then we will rotate randomly for all the monkey heads. So we will try moving and scaling in different axes by moving this in A axis, Y axis, or Z axis, or it will working as we expected. But things are interesting when we switch to the local space. And then when we move the monkey head, the axis will detect because it was moving in a horizontal transformation. So when we go to the move tool, as you can see, the axes are all detected, and we rotate the head. Also, you can see the transform tab, the rotation value for the monkey head. So when we move the monkey head in the local axis, it will move according to its axis. not in the global grid. It gets even more interesting when you select everything and then move it and when is it. It will move according to it inherent is it. Okay, and you can apply the rotation by pressing Control A for applying, and then you can apply rotation, location, scale, or auto transformation. And then it will become aligned with the wall exit. Okay, this is the difference between local and global speed. Understanding the 3D CASA and the difference between local and global orientation are very foundational skill in Blender. The concept will empower you to create and manipulate 3D objects with precision. So keep practicing, and then in the another episode we will learn how to customize your workspace in Blender.